Hello, YouTube family. Today, we'll be discussing how you can maximize your potential in increasing your height. Unfortunately, once a person reaches a certain age, typically around the end of puberty, it becomes difficult to increase height as the growth plates in the long bones of the body fuses. Today, in this video we will see 6 potential tips to maximize your height. So, without further ado, let's get started. Tips number 1. Understanding the science. Let's learn a little bit about the science behind height before we get into the tips. Our height is primarily determined by genetics, but there are certain factors that can influence it. These factors include nutrition, exercise, sleep, and posture. Tips number 2. Optimal nutrition for height growth. The first piece of advice is to make sure you are getting the right nutrients for proper growth. A well-balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins is essential. Here are some key nutrients to focus on. Calcium. Found in dairy products, leafy greens, and strengthened food varieties. Protein. Include lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, and lentils. Vitamin D. Eat foods like fatty fish, eggs, and cereals with added nutrients and get plenty of sunlight. Vitamin C. Found in citrus fruits, berries, and vegetables like bell peppers and broccoli. For growth and development, a well-balanced diet, high in essential nutrients is essential. Keep in mind that a well-nourished body is more likely to reach its maximum height. Tips number 3. Regular exercise and stretching. You can help improve your posture and possibly gain a few inches by doing specific stretching exercises on a regular basis. The following are some exercises that work your core and spine. Hanging exercises. Hang from a bar to decompress your spine and improve posture. Pilates and yoga. These exercises strengthen your core muscles and promote flexibility. Swimming. The resistance and stretching involved in swimming can be beneficial for height growth. So, integrating extending practices into your routine can assist with further developing adaptability and keep up with great stance. Tips number 4. Quality sleep and rest. Do you know that when you sleep, your body makes growth hormones? For your body to grow to its full potential, you need to get enough sleep. So aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night and maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Also, make sure your pillow and mattress are supportive and comfortable and the place where you sleep is quiet and comfortable. Tips number 5. Improving posture. Maintaining good posture can make a significant difference in your height appearance. Here are a few tips to improve your posture. Stand tall. Keep your shoulders back, head up, and spine aligned. Sit correctly. Use ergonomic chairs, keep your feet flat on the ground, and support your back. Avoid slouching. Be mindful of your posture throughout the day, especially when using electronic devices. Therefore, good posture plays a significant role in maximizing your height potential. Practicing good posture consistently will not only make you taller but also exude confidence. Tips number 6. Confidence and styling tips. Lastly, remember that confidence plays a vital role in how others perceive your height. Embrace what your identity is and hold yourself with confidence. While clothing doesn't straightforwardly expand your level, but picking the right outfits can make the deception of level. Choose clothing that flatters and lengthens your body. Some smart choices include outfits with only one color, high-waist bottoms, and vertical stripes. Additionally, if you wear shoes with heels or inserts, you may experience a slight increase in height. And there you have it, tips for naturally increasing your height. Remember, height is just one aspect of your overall personality, and it's important to embrace yourself regardless of your height. Focus on living a healthy lifestyle, maintaining good posture, and exuding confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to channel for more valuable contents. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay positive and keep growing.